Stopping by Woods on a Sorry by Robert Frost, 1950. Whose Woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village too. He will not see me stopping here. Watch his Woods fill up his my little voice must sing a prayer to stop without a harmful stare. Between the woods and trees of the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness balls a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweet of easy wind and downfall wind. The woods are lovely, dwarf and deep, but I have promises to keep, and once you walk, once you